Hello everyone. Today I will tell you how to earn money from Shopify store. A. Become a Shopify affiliate to make money with Shopify. If you're looking for ways to earn money with Shopify, you can always do it by becoming a Shopify affiliate. Shopify has a well-established affiliate program through which many people create a passive income. It's an easy program to sign up for, and once you get your affiliate link you can earn up to $2,000 per new merchant referred to Shopify. B. Start your own e-commerce business with Shopify. Let's clarify one issue here. Opening a basic online store with Shopify doesn't mean that you will earn. Period. There are many things to do beforehand. Here they are. First of all, you need to create a business plan from the get-go. Validate your business idea before you invest. Define your audience and find your e-commerce niche. Create a communication strategy and a reason for shoppers to buy from you. Decide which digital channels will you promote your brand and products. Plan your content, blog post, and SEO tactics. Define your shipping, return, payment methods. Think about having an affiliate program. It works great for some businesses. Start your online store with a proper design and needed functionality. What are the best Shopify business ideas of 2021? Running a Shopify business always sounds attractive. It's a great business model. However, it also comes with a unique set of difficulties. Frankly, starting a business ain't easy. Remember that a store is not the aim for a merchant, but the tool for success. To tell you the truth, online is just a channel that connects businesses to people. It's a powerful tool that lets you reach anyone from anywhere in the world. And with the right ideas and hard work, you can reach out to them, and sell your products. Here are some great ideas for 2021 to start your Shopify business. 1. Start your clothing line. There's nothing more satisfying than creating products that people will use every day. As soon as you build your Shopify store, you'll be able to start selling instantly. Thanks to apps like Printify and Printful, the process of designing and delivering your own custom-made clothing has been streamlined and simplified. Transforming your creativity into something real and profitable is amazing. And fashion is always going to be demanded as long as humankind exists on Earth. 2. Launch a dropshipping store. Your store doesn't need to stock products in a physical location. This means that your cash flow won't get tied up in inventory. Whenever a purchase is made, you place an order with a third party, and they'll handle the rest of the process for you. Since you don't have to deal with things like tracking inventory or mailing packages, dropshipping takes care of a lot of potential headaches. It is a great way of business today. 3. Develop a niche product. Niche products are unique and thus buzzworthy. Early success can be all you need to drive press coverage with zero budget. Choosing a specific target customer makes it easier to create marketing and messaging that resonates. Rather than trying to speak to a broad, diverse group, you're talking to a group of individuals with lots of shared characteristics. 4. Create handmade goods. Devote as much or as little time as you want. It's your choice on how big you want to grow. Create your schedule. Make your handmade goods on a set schedule when you have spare time or whenever you want. Turn your passion into income. Like many of the online business ideas on this list, an entrepreneurial endeavor backed by passion leads to a more fulfilling experience. 5. Sell your art online. Being a part of people's lives by getting your work into customers' homes and headphones. Sounds amazing. If you are an artist, you'll create a platform for showcasing your work by setting up shop online. As an artist, creating art isn't just a hobby, it's a way of life. This is your chance to turn your passion into an income stream and potentially do what you love for a living. 6. Start a local online grocery store. Grocery is a great field to open your online store because it doesn't require any fitting like in fashion or quality check like in so many other product types. The entire sector is going online these days all around the world. You can be one of those who benefit the trend and build a strong presence. 7. Become a freelance writer or designer. Getting paid to do something you're good at is a rewarding feeling, whether you're looking to strike out on your own or you just to make some extra cash on weekends. When you freelance, you choose which projects you want to work on and set your own schedule and workplace. If you want total control over how much you can charge, create a Shopify store. You can list your services as products and disable shipping, since you won't actually be physically delivering anything to your customers. Remember, each business idea requires a well-thought strategy and loads of effort for building a successful business.